'Tis the end of the year 2020. Hello to the new year 2021. Despite the change of seasons, COVID-19 is still a threat to us. Each and every one of us is responsible for our own health and the health of our family. The fight to gain freedom from COVID-19 begins at home. The community takes charge of the war against COVID-19. How to keep your family from getting COVID-19? Everybody should download the MySejahtera app. Limit visitors to your house. Everyone must cough or sneeze the proper way. Wash your hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer. Clean your home often. You can use Clorox solution or Dettol or any disinfectants. Thank goodness for the internet and smartphones. Now, we can do transactions just by touch or buy things from the comfort of our homes. All family members should help to monitor the health status of each other, especially if you are a parent. You also need to take special care of your elderly and those with chronic diseases. Make sure to seek treatment if you have symptoms. Stay at home. If you do need to go outside, use a face mask and make sure to stick to social distancing. What can the community do? The community acts as frontliners. Promote the MySejahtera app download, registration, and usage to all community members. Restrict visitors and keep a log of movements. Promote, support, and practice the use of face masks, regular hand washing with soap and water or hand sanitizer, social distancing, and strictly follow SOP. Report any gatherings or any suspected COVID-19 cases to the relevant authorities. How about school? Parents must teach their kids on how to cough or sneeze the proper way. Stress on the importance of social distancing to your kids. Demonstrate the correct hand washing technique to your children. Don't let your kids go to school if they are sick. Make sure to bring them to see the doctor immediately. The school must do health screenings at the school entrance. Ensure practice of the preventive measures against COVID-19. Frequent hand washing with soap and water or hand sanitizer. Use face masks at all times except when you eat or drink. Keep a 1 meter distance from each other at all times. Ensure good ventilation, clean toilets with provision of soap, as well as disinfection of frequently touched surfaces. No assemblies, group activities, or gatherings allowed. All staffs and students must practice proper coughing and sneezing etiquette. The canteen operator must ensure that all food handlers are clean and use face masks at all times. All staffs must practice the correct coughing and sneezing etiquette and undergo health screening before work daily. Must make sure soap or hand sanitizer is available. The sold food and drinks must be packed in covered containers for easy takeaway. Social distancing must be ensured at the payment counter. How about at work? The employer must provide soap or hand sanitizer and ensure clean toilets. All staffs must undergo health screening upon coming to work. They should use the MySejahtera app to check in. Promote the staffs to use face masks, regular hand washing, and practice social distancing. All symptomatic staffs must go see the doctor immediately. The employer must also ensure disinfection of regularly touched surfaces and prepare an isolation room. For the employees, use face masks, regular hand washing, and practice social distancing. Employees must know and practice the proper etiquette for coughing or sneezing. Ensure good ventilation and no food sharing. Disinfection of regularly touched surfaces must also be done. For the mosques or musallas, must refer to the latest SOP by the State Religious Department. Set up a health screening counter at the entrance and provide hand sanitizers. All must use face masks. No children aged 12 years and below, elderly, especially those with chronic diseases, and people with symptoms are allowed. All activities must follow the SOP strictly. No banquets are allowed after any activities. Practice social distancing at all times. How about the churches, temples, and other religious houses? The same practices at the mosques and musallas are applicable to the churches, temples, and other religious houses. The administrators must ensure that there are no gatherings after the prayer session, and all scheduled activities must adhere to the SOP. No sharing of prayer equipments or materials between the followers. No skin contact allowed, and no banquets are allowed. You increase your risk of infection by mixing with a lot of people, not practicing social distancing, and meeting new people. Asymptomatic carriers can spread the COVID-19 infection. For more information, please scan these QR codes. You hold the power to make it happen. Together, we prevent and control the spread of COVID-19.